Today, we're diving into the Africa Natural Capital Atlas to explore the continent's immense natural wealth and the challenges it faces. Africa, rich in resources and biodiversity, plays a crucial role on the global stage. Africa, the world's second largest and second most populous continent, spans nearly 30 million square kilometers and is home to about 1.5 billion people. By 2100, this population is expected to reach nearly 3.8 billion.
The UN Environment Programme, in collaboration with the African Development Bank, is pleased to present to you the Atlas of Africa's Natural Capital. The Atlas was requested by the African Ministerial Conference on Environment at its 17th Ordinary Session. The Atlas, which examines Africa's natural capital, its forests, its freshwater bodies, its critical minerals, its green energy sources, among other things, highlights that while Africa is richly endowed, its natural capital is facing great economic destruction. Therefore, we need to support Africa's economic development while focusing on restoring and protecting its natural capital. We need to invest in ecosystem-based adaptation, and we need to prioritize actions that preserve and protect Africa's natural capital assets. We can only do this with the science and the data and information that has been provided by this Natural Capital Atlas.
The continent boasts the Congo Basin, the world's second largest rainforest, home to 25% of global biodiversity. Africa also holds 8% of global natural gas and 12% of oil reserves, along with over 60% of the world's undeveloped arable land and 30% of global mineral reserves. Africa's natural capital is crucial for its economic development and population dynamics. Natural capital typology. The importance of integrating natural capital into policies for balanced and sustainable development is emphasized. Key drivers of change: population growth, urbanization, economic development, technological advancements, and climate change are key drivers affecting Africa's natural resources. Changing natural capital and impact on people. The continent's terrestrial resources are vital for economic stability and well-being. Effective monitoring and evaluation are essential for sustainable management. Freshwater, ocean, and marine resources. Sustainable management strategies like the blue economy and integrated water resources management are crucial. Case studies illustrate changes in water resources due to seasonal variations and human activities. Minerals and mining. Africa's mineral wealth holds great potential, but strategies for inclusive and sustainable growth are needed to ensure long-term benefits. Energy. With diverse renewable and non-renewable energy resources, transitioning to more renewable sources is necessary to meet the continent's energy needs.
I believe that having an immense natural resource in Africa would be considered as an opportunity for meeting the socio-economic and environmental needs of Africans. For this to happen, all African countries should identify their unique national natural capital and understand that it is their domestic solution which will leapfrog them from poverty to prosperity. Secondly, they should work towards regional integrity and champion the goal of growing green together. They should adopt a genuine and harmonized approach and enact policies on natural resource management in such a way that it benefits all.
Impact of climate change and natural hazards. Rising temperatures and extreme weather events are accelerating the depletion of natural capital, impacting ecosystems and human well-being. Building back better. Promoting nature-based solutions. Nature-based solutions like restoring forests and leveraging job programs are key to addressing contemporary environmental challenges. Natural capital and economic growth. Moving beyond GDP to the Inclusive Wealth Index, which balances economic growth with environmental stewardship and social equity, offers a more comprehensive view of economic health. Challenges and opportunities. Despite these riches, Africa faces significant challenges. Agriculture, a cornerstone of the economy, employs 2/3 of the workforce, but remains the most food-insecure region globally. In 2022, nearly 20% of Africans were undernourished. The manufacturing sector is minimal, and intracontinental trade is low, necessitating efforts to boost trade and diversify exports. Land degradation affects 80% of Africa's population, impacting agriculture and forests. However, initiatives like protected areas and the Central African Forest Initiative aim to tackle these issues. Africa's freshwater and marine resources are vital, yet face threats like overfishing and groundwater depletion. With significant renewable energy potential, investments in solar, wind, and geothermal energy could transform the energy landscape. Climate change poses severe risks, making effective disaster risk reduction and climate adaptation policies critical. Africa's natural capital is a tremendous asset that can pave the way for sustainable and inclusive growth. By addressing these challenges and leveraging resources wisely, the continent can shape a brighter, greener future.